curry chicken feet Jamaican style. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so very much for watching. If you're new, please go ahead and subscribe. Okay everybody, it's been a while, but today we're gonna make some curry chicken foot, and right now we're gonna go straight into seasoning it up. It's well washed and cleaned up already. So here we're going in with 2 tablespoons of blended greens. You know my blended season already. Okay, and now about a tablespoon of chicken season, and now we're gonna go in some soul food season, about a tablespoon also, and our curry powder. I'm not gonna use a lot of salt because I already have salt in some of those seasons. I know we're doing a curry, so, and we're gonna also go in with a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, and now for all of this, I don't use onions because like y'all know, the onions and everything is already blended. Okay, so this is it. Now we're gonna rub it up. See it here my people. Open meat nice like this, a chicken foot. Bap and we're done. Look good, taste good, smell good. Everything about this chicken foot is good my people. When you blend up your season them, make your food taste nice and flavorful. Okay, this is what we have my people. Some nice curry chicken foot we are gonna deal with, and we want this with some white rice because kill me dead for white rice and curry, you know. But you can have it with anything you want to have it with. Alright, even some boiled dumpling, ground food. See it here, we're gonna put this down for marinate, and when we're ready we're gonna bun with curry. Okay, alright, soon come back. Okay y'all, this is it. We're going to burn our season now and our curry, everything in a one. Okay, and here goes our curry powder, and we are burn with curry nicely like this. Okay, remember we are cook some curry chicken foot in the day here. Get all of that flavor from this, okay, in your meat. Soon come again. Now this is how our pot is looking, and we're gonna go in with the chicken foot. Alright, and we have put all of them chicken foot in the pot, and when we finish put them in the pot now, we go close down the pot. Alright, and make this one simmer. And remember, I made same one. We're not put water in our pot right away. Okay? Because remember, meat sweat its own water. Just cover the pot just like it is. Put the stove on low and make the pot go and sweat in one water until we come back again. We're cooking chicken foot today, and the chicken foot will take time, okay? See here? And we will cover it up with pot. See here? Just like that. Soon come back. People, see it here? This is our chicken foot looking. Alright? Yes, remember, chicken foot in the day here. See it here? And we have our water in our chicken foot. Nicely. But chicken foot take a longer time to cook my people because it's more bone. Okay, but you know we love it. Our Jamaican something this, I will love it bad. See, curry look nice. So everything in the pot looking nice, my people. Just want to cook down some more, so we're gonna just cover him up and make him cook down some more. Okay, remember we want him tender and nice. Okay, so see it here, we're gonna put a little bit of water in our chicken foot. And we don't want too much because we not boil with meat. We want to cook nicely, my people. And we're going to cover him up back. Alright, everybody, see it here. With chicken foot have bubble down to the gravy stage. Okay, my people? Yes. This is it. Curry chicken foot in the Monday day. Yeah. Yes, so we're gonna lock him up now. We're making him go and simmer down. And simmer down to the gravy stage. Simmer down to perfection. Okay, now y'all, my people, this is it. The end result of my chicken feet. Curry chicken foot. This is it, my people. Now don't forget, this is from my dinner table to your family dinner table, okay? Please go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so very much, my people. Yes, this is it. Curry chicken foot.